guys, back together, drawing for kids, hopefully entertained and enjoy watching. Today, we will draw a cute and very nice forklift car. Let's go! Try to see friends. Picture of the forklift. Already started, finished. Stay here and watch it till the end.
And on his farm he had a pig. E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here up, there up, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Extraordinary. Come on. It's time to make the forklift image thicker. To make it look even better, let's go.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here up, there up, everywhere. Old MacDonald.
Wow, amazing. It's time to color this forklift car image. Friends, let's go.
Old MacDonald had
Pale baby blue.
E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere.
Continue coloring the eyes and the roof of the car.
E-I-E-I-O.
Black.
Old MacDonald had a
Pink.
farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep,
Then we color the car body with color.
with a here and a
Fluorescent yellow.
here up, there up, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Then color the back of the car with color. Pink.
And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here up, there.
Then we color the fire with color.
MacDonald had
Red.
a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Orange.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O.
Yellow.
With a here and a there, here up, there up, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Pale yellow. Deep olive green.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
It's time to color the front fork of the forklift car. Let's go, my friends. Green.
With a here and a there, here up, there up, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Brown.
E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Blue-gray.
And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there.
Then we color the car tires with color. Blue-gray again.
Had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Don't forget we color the mouth with color.
Old
Red.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his
And don't forget to color the wheels with color.
E-I-E-I-O. With a
Brilliant blue.
here and a there, here up, there up, everywhere. Old MacDonald had
Blue.
a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Yeah, finally finished already drawing and coloring the forklift. Thank you for watching to the end. Hope you guys are entertained and wait for the next video. Bye bye.